Hello everyone, welcome to Skill Wisdom videos. Please subscribe to our channel and press on bell icon to get a notification on new videos. You can also use comment section to post your queries. We will try to address them with the priorities. You can also follow our Facebook page and join our Telegram group for technology related discussion and updates. So these links you can find it on video description section. This video we are trying to cover one more object-oriented programming feature called encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping a code and data together into a single unit. The best example for encapsulation is a class. If you observe class closely, it is a container which holds both data as well as functions, right? So why it is named as a encapsulation? I think you have seen that capsules, right? Medicine capsules. What is it, capsules? Capsule is just a container which is having a multiple medicines inside that coating, right? Similar way, class is just a container which is holding multiple things inside, multiple members like variables or methods. That's why this is called encapsulation, right? When you are binding multiple things inside a class, then it's very essential to control the access of those members, right? In order to understand how we can control those members, it is very essential for you guys to understand access modifiers. Access modifiers decides which members can be allowed to access by whom. Let's create a class A. Class A is having two members. One is variable A and other one is display function. You can see this, right? Public. This is called access modifier. So in order to understand different access modifier, let's consider a table. The first column indicates type of access modifier. So in Java, we have four type of access modifiers. First one is public, protected, default, and private. And we have different access levels. So I will put them on a column side. First one is within a class. Within a class, which members can be accessed? Which members in the sense? Which member access modifiers can be accessed? Then second level is within a package. This is called package. Which member can be accessed by other classes within same package using either is a relationship or has a relationship, both. And third one is which members can be accessed outside the package. This is called outside package using is a relationship. And the last one is which members can be accessed outside the package using has a relationship. You already know what is a and has a. These are all type of relationship which we have covered already as a part of inheritance. If you don't know what is a and what is has a relationship, please go through our previous video on inheritance. Has a means the relationship which is built using a new keyword, that is by creating an object, and is a is the relationship which is built using extends keyword. So let's start with within a class. Within a class, any member can access any other member which can be of any access modifier. It can have private, it can have default, it can have public, or it can have protected. Any members can be accessed within the class. Each other member have direct access. These are all own family members. Anybody can access any other member irrespective of whatever is their access modifiers. Second is within a same package. we can access all the members except private members outside the class but within the same package using either is a relationship or has a relationship. Private members cannot be used outside the class. You can see here all are marked it as a S except the private members. And third one is outside the package. Outside the package using is a relationship, you can access only two type of members. One is public and other one is protected. Private and default members cannot be accessed using is a relationship outside the package. You can see these two are marked it as a no and other two are marked it as a yes. The last one is outside package using has a relationship. Using has a relationship outside a package, you can access only one type of members, that is public members. Other members, default, protected, or private, you cannot access it. If you observe these four access levels, access modifiers, it looks like a pyramid where public members can be accessed within, outside using is or has a. All anybody can access public, and protected can be accessed everywhere except outside the package with has a relationship. And third one is a default. Here one more access level reduces. Default members can be accessed only within the package, and private members can be accessed only within the class. Clear? Let's see these things with an example. So I have created a class here. Okay. So first we'll see how this work within the classes. Right. So in a class A, let's create four types of variable. One is a private and other one is a default. Default means I'm not giving any access modifiers. And third one is a protected. And the last one is public. So I've created a four variables here. So let's create a function. So I just put a display function. And I will try to initialize these four variables. Private variable, default, then protected, then public. So if you see here, there is no error message. That means I'm able to access all four variables here. And this display function is currently of a default type. Okay, this is same behavior irrespective of whatever is your access modifier here. If it is public, then also you won't get any error. If it is private, then also it won't get any error. So access modifiers is applicable only for the destination function, which variable or a function you are accessing. And the behavior will be same across all type of a function where you are accessing. If it is allowing to access within a private function, then it should allow you to access in public also. And vice versa is also. If it is allowing to access you in public, then it should also allow you to access in private also. Okay, so first one is clear, right? So we are able to access all four types of variable. Let's go to the next one. So I have created a class called same package has a. Okay, if you observe here, class A, that is in the right side, and other class, new class which I created, both are on the same package. Now in same pack has a class. Okay, I'll try to access these four variables using has a relationship. Okay, let's create a function, display function. So has a relation means what? First we need to create an object of the class from where you want to access the members. So let's create an object of class A. I have created object of class A here. Then you can see here when I try to access a private member, I got an error message. You can see here it's highlighted with a red color, and also you can see here left side the cross mark, red color cross. That means it is not allowing me to access it. Let's try other three members. Default I'm able to access, protected I'm able to access, then public I'm able to access. So only thing is private members I'm not able to access. You can see here only the private members is given as a No, with respect to has a relationship. So if you move your cursor on this private members, you can see here change visibility of private variable. That means private variable can be accessed only within the class. You cannot access it within outside the class. Clear? Okay. Now in the same class, let's rewrite it. Try to access 4 variables using is relationship. So I created a same class. Now I used is relationship. You can see here extends. Now let's create a same function. Is relationship means we will have a direct access to the parent members. No need to create an object. You can see when I try to access private, again I'm getting an error message. You can see other 3 are able to access without any issues. You can see here change the visibility. Clear? Within a package, but outside the classes you can access all type of access modifiers except the private members. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next one. So this time I have created one class outside the package. First class A is on pack 2 here. In a pack 1 I'm creating one more class. Okay, so now I will try to extend the class A. So that means I'm building a user relationship here, right? So now using this user relationship outside a package, let's try to access all these 4 members. Okay, public, you can see private and default are giving error message, protected and public are not having any error message. These 2 are giving an error message. If you highlight these variables, you should be able to see change the private bar to package. Same thing you will get it for default also. You can see here outside the package using user relationship, we should not able to access private and default. Clear? Now let's go to the last example. I have a class. This time I'm not extending it because I wanted to try with the has a relationship. This is outside the package. You can see here outside the package. Okay, now I will try to access class A members. Okay, create a function display, then create an object of class A because we are trying to access here using a has a relationship. That's why I created an object. Now using object dot try to access these 4 variables. You can see all first 3 except public, we have started getting a error message. You can see it's asking me to change the visibility. So that means it's not allowing me to access any members except public using has a relationship outside the package. Clear? Thank you all.